Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. I'm back with another super short review. Yeah. So you guys, I decided to take it all the way back to the basics. Yes, to the basics. And I decided to go ahead and give the Pantene Pro V Natural line another go. So back in the day, I used to use Pantene's line of products, and I don't know what happened. It seemed like once I became natural, it's like, I don't know, the ingredients changed, something changed, or my natural hair didn't really like the product very much as my perm hair did back when I used to use the products. Anyway, moving right along, you guys can see my hair right now. This is a old twist out. Plus I want to prep my hair to be able to receive some braids or twists or extensions or whatever you want to call it. So I definitely want to go in and give my hair some love and some attention. So this is the Pantene Pro V shampoo here. I can't really tell if my hair likes it or not, because again, it's been so long since I've used this particular product. To me, it appears that it's just sitting on top of my hair, but I hope to the high heavens that it is definitely cleansing my strands and cleansing my scalp, of course. A little bit about Pantene Pro V. Its Truly Natural line is a line of products designed to help manage your natural hair. Pantene is aware that your hair has a unique structure with distinctive twists and turns, so hair not and be unmanageable. Pantene's oil enriched Truly Natural products help detangle natural hair, leaving your hair feeling soft, shiny, and protected from damage. Okay, so that's just a little bits of little knowledge for you. Now, what I do like about Pantene's products, both the shampoo and the conditioner, is creamy in texture. So I really I think I kind of like that. So I'm not going to complain too much about that at all. You guys know I love my little electronic brush. Kind of help cleanse my scalp, stimulate the blood flow to my scalp, and of course help promote hair growth, as you guys know. So next, I do want to go ahead and I do want to move forward with the conditioner. This is my hair after I've washed it with the shampoo. And y'all, this conditioner is bomb.com. This particular product still smells the same as it has always smelled. It smells absolutely amazing. Really don't know how to describe it, but it smells really good, and I really like it. So after I rinsed my hair of the conditioner, y'all, product is no lie, my hair definitely felt soft. It felt shiny. It looked clean. It felt clean, although I felt as though my hair did not look clean.
That girl, Leandria, jumps. The spirit is made right.
I don't know. I need to use
But sometimes the heart rim, the soul rim, the mind rim is a little slow.
Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.